Hello everyone. We are students of Jane. We are discussing today's topic like basics of Python syntax, variables and data types. Done by Ashil, Akhil, Tirumala Abhilash, Yashwant Kumar, Shreyas RS. Now basics of Python syntax will be explained by Yashwant.
Comment starts with the hashtag symbol and the extend to the end of the line. They are ignored by the Python interpreter. Example, hashtag this is a comment. Variables. Variables are used to store data. You can assign a value to a variable using the equal to operator. Example, x is equal to 5.
Python supports various data types including integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and more. These are examples of data types. Age 25 and float height is equal to 5.8. Name John. Integer, a number that can be written without functions. Boolean, logical value that indicates true or false. Floating point, a number that has a decimal component. String, sequence of characters. List, sequence of comma separated numbers or strings. Dictionary, collection of key value pairs. Tuple, sequence of comma separated numbers, strings, etc. These are the examples of Python.
Integers. In the Python, integers are the data types used to represent whole numbers. They can also positive integers and zero. Here are some of them. Python x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 10. List. Lists are the created using circle brackets and items are separated by the commas. Lists are multiple. My list 1, 2, 3, 4 are examples of it. And keys features of the list. Accessing elements can be accessed individually. Elements list includes and the stage from 0 to first elements goes to up to the list forms. 1 from the last elements. First element list 0, second element list 1, and last element list minus 1. Synthesis can be extracted by from the list of the using start ends while be returns to the new list containing of elements from the index starts to n minus 1. Additionals and removing of elements. You can add elements to end of the list using of append method. You can extract the elements to specific position using of instant method. You can remove elements available using of removing method by index using of pop methods. Python some of the examples are mylist instead 6, instead 2110, mylist removing 3, popped element mylist pop 0.
Tuple. In Python, a tuple is a collection of ordered and immutable elements. Immutable means that once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be changed, added, or removed. Tuples are declared using parentheses and the elements are separated by commas. Example, my tuple equal to in bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Accessing elements. Elements of a tuple can be accessed using indexing, similar to list. indexing starts from 0 for the first element. Example, first element equal to my tuple square bracket 0. Second element equal to my tuple square bracket 1. Immutable. Once a tuple is created, you cannot modify its elements. My tuple square bracket 0 equal to 10. Slicing. You can slice tuples to create new tuples containing a subset of elements. Example, subtuple equal to my tuple square bracket 1 is to 3. Length. You can find the length of a tuple using the len square curly bracket function. Example, length equal to len curly bracket my tuple. In Python, dictionaries. In Python, a dictionary is a built-in data type that allows you to store key-value pairs. It's quite versatile and commonly used due to its efficiency in retrieving, inserting, and deleting items. Example, my dict equal to n flower brackets, key 1 is to value 1, key 2 is to value 2, key 3 is to value 3.
Accessing values. You can access the value associated with a particular key by using square brackets. Example, value equals to my dict k1. Key1. Modifying values. You can modify the value associated with a key by assigning a new value to the key. Example, my dict key1 equals to new value. Adding new key value pairs. You can add new key value pairs to the dictionary by simply assigning a value to a new key. My dict new key equals to new value. Removing key values. You can remove a key value pair using delete statement or the pop method. Delete my key one. Data types in Python. In Python, data types define the type of data a variable can hold. Here are some of the basic data types in Python. Numeric types. Int, integer numbers, example, 5 minus 3000. Float, floating point numbers, example, 3.14, 2.7, 2.71, etc. Like sequence, in sequence types, strings of characters, example, hello, world. They're inside the bracket, comma, inverted commas. List ordered collection of items which are mutable. Example 1, 2, 3, apple, banana, orange. They are kept in square brackets. Tuple, similar to list but immutable. Cannot be modified once created. Examples 1, 2, 3, ABC, but they are in round brackets. Mapping type. Dictionary. Collection of key value pairs, unordered, mutable, etc. Example, name, alias, age, 30. Set types. Set. Unordered collection of unique items, mutable. Example, 1, 2, 3 in curly braces. Apple, banana, orange in curly braces. Frozen set. Similar to sets but immutable. Like they cannot be modified. Example, frozen set. Like they are present inside a curly braces, but the curly brackets are surrounded by circular braces. Boolean type. Like the answer, the Boolean values are true or false. Non-type represents the absence of a value or a null value denoted by none. Done by Harshil, Akhil, Shreyas, Abhilash, Yashwant. Thank you everyone for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.